Changing your primary email on ETRADE core is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the ETRADE website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage under your account name or profile icon. Step 3. Select contact information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use ETRADE to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your primary email. Find the section that lists your email addresses. Locate your primary email and select the option to edit or change it. Enter your new email address and confirm it if prompted. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on ETRADE core will be successfully changed. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages.